In this video, we'll be guiding you through the Webcast question moderator view functions to help prepare for your live events Q&A session. Once we have opened the Webcast question moderator link provided on your confirmation, an example question submission may appear in the list until any participant submit a question via the webcast. Participants can submit their test questions at any time using the Ask a Question box on the webcast, like so. Once the questions have been submitted, they will begin to populate this list automatically without the need to refresh your page. After some questions have entered the list, you can now start using the moderator controls to prioritize and order the list of questions that you wish to be read live during the Q&A session. To prioritize a question towards the top, use the up arrow next to the question like so. As you can see, the question priority number changed to a +1 and pushed it to the top of this list. Likewise, with prioritizing a question below, use the down arrow like so. The number will now appear as a negative and go towards the bottom of this list. The question box color will also be changed based on the positive or negative priority number given. As you can see, a green shade is given to those questions with positive numbers and red shades given to those with negative numbers. This can be useful if you wish to prioritize by color. For instance, you would only like the questions that are green to be read live. Once the questions have been read live, please use the Mark Complete button next to the questions, just like so. And if you would like to remove a question from the list to avoid it being read, press the Delete button. Please note that deleting a question will make the data no longer available in the downloadable CSV located at the bottom of the page. Please see the Frequently Asked Questions section below for more information about webcast question moderating, and if you have any further inquiries, please email ozmedia@choruscall.com. Thank you for using Chorus Call Australia.